In this video, I'll explain you how copy trading works inside our VIP copy trading channel and how we use this social trading feature of pocket option to copy my trades automatically in your account without you trading manually. So as you can see in my screen, this is an account of one of my VIP Telegram subscriber, and this is the result he was able to achieve today. Okay, altogether 6 trades were made and 100% of the trade were profitable. Okay, and trading profit was like $55. And if you want to join my VIP copy trading channel, then link will be in the description of this video or below this video. You can click on it and join my VIP copy trading channel. Now I'll exactly explain you how you can copy trades by using the social trading feature of pocket option. Okay, it is extremely simple to do copy trading automatically inside pocket option. Firstly, what you need to do is just click on this social trading. Okay, and once you see this kind of interface, you can copy all of anyone, okay, you want. If you see here anyone is making high profitable trades, then you can copy them. Okay, but there is one problem which I'll explain you after some time if you do direct copy from these people. Okay, and I'll explain you about that. Firstly, let's see how copy trading works in our VIP copy trading channel. So if you click on here, then click on search and put the user ID that you have got after entering into my VIP Telegram channel. Okay, that will be only be possible if you have made payment. Okay, and once you put my user ID at here, then you can just see there's some name. Okay, and you can just click on that name. Okay, in this way, and then now you can just click on copy. Now you'll see this kind of interface. So now in several time, okay, I keep on changing amount that I invest, but let's say for a month I invest $10 per trade only. Okay, and if I am just investing $10 per trade, then I'll announce that thing in that VIP Telegram VIP copy trading channel. Okay, and you need to see that. Okay, so for this month, let's say I am only investing $10 per trade, and you also want to make $10 per trade, right? Then you just leave it as 100%. Okay, and in minimum copy trade amount, leave it 1. Okay, and in stop balance, you leave it 0, and everything is fine. You can simply click on confirm and you will start to copy my trade automatically. So whenever I make $10 per trade, your account will also make automatically that $10 per trade. Okay, but let's say you want to make $5 per trade. If that is the condition, then you just decrease this percentage to 50%, and you will only be investing $5 per trade whenever I invest $10 per trade. Okay, similarly, let's say you just want to invest $7 per trade. If that is the condition, then just copy 70% of the trade and you will make $7 per trade if I make $10 per trade. Now another thing, let's say you have a balance of $1,000. Okay, and you only want to risk $200 in my copy trading. Okay, so if $200 loss happens, you don't want to copy me anymore, for example. Okay, in that condition, what you need to do is you need to put $800 at here. So whenever your account is minus 200, okay, from $1,000, then you will automatically stop to copy me, but that condition will never arrive, so you don't need to do it. I would still suggest you to put 0 at here. Okay, or nothing at here. Okay, that is fine, because I make consistent amount of trade. So for example, if I am making $10 per trade, then I'll continuously start to make $10 per each and every day in each and every trade. Okay, that's why if you copy me 100%, then you will only be making $10 per trade consistently. But what happens if you copy some random people from here? Okay, then I'll show you. Let's see in his case. Okay, so here you can see his minimum trade amount is $109 and his maximum amount of trade per trade is $1,000. So if you have copied him 100%, then what would happen? You will sometime invest $100 and make profit. You will invest $1,000. Okay, whenever you invest $1,000, your account will also invest $1,000 and you will make loss in that $1,000. Then this profit will matter. This profit doesn't literally matter, because $100 profit is nothing in front of $1,000 loss. Okay, that is the problem if you copy random people. Now I'll see you inside my VIP copy trading channel, where I will provide you another video, another specific video, which will teach you how you can do every setup at pocket option easily to copy my trade automatically. Okay, with the amount that I am investing in the real time. If I am investing $100 recently, okay, then that information will be in that video. Also, I'll give you a list of instructions that you need to follow, which is extremely easy. Okay, so it will make you more comfortable while copying my trades.